What's up, Jason FKTG Tactical? We're down to our last sling bag that we're ever going to be able to get. With armor. 3A. Protects up to 44 mag. 120 bucks. Deal of the century. We have new patches in set today. Down to 3 chest rigs, down to 3 small IFAKs. We sold 6 V3 IFAKs, so we're down to 3. If you're a Ford lover, this is GT40. This is all the optics we have left. So if you need something, get it, because we're going to probably sell out today. Sold all of our level 4s. We're down to this 2.5 pound SRT. We have one set of 600, one set of 500, 2 sets of 1x14 600, and 1 elite carrier left. We are at the Ahern, Vegas, until it's 9:30 now. We'll be here till 4 on the 24th.